In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your control settings in Destiny Rising. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to your Destiny Rising. So it actually varies based on the device that you're playing it with. If you have a mobile, you can change these settings that you can see right here. When you head over it here into your settings and you can find controls and you can change in here the firing mode as well as effects, sensitivity, controller, and the likes. You can proceed to customize it according to your liking right there. Now, if you have actually these pairing modes, you can change out the TPP settings under the control as well for that. You can also change the weapon settings based on to this. Here are some recommended values for the best settings for your Destiny Rising. Now, we also have in here movement settings, and you can also see in here some vary for the gyro as well as best effects that you can actually utilize onto this one, as well as sensitivity. So if you have a PC, these are actually the best settings for you. Just pause the screen right now and copy the settings that you can see right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.